We're here today at the 3rd Annual Business and Industry Career Fair at the Scottish Rite Cathedral. I'm Bob McCracken with the Chamber of Commerce. We're just a small part of this show. School to Work really coordinates the whole event for 10th graders here in Lawrence County. So they're an opportunity to see all of the careers there are in manufacturing, just not on the shop floor, but also in HR, in accounting, in engineering, all of the different areas with it, and the support we get from the business community to show these kids these opportunities is really gratifying. We have all of our major manufacturers here. We have independent people here like Doodles V Twin, showing kids how to build bikes. Today is one of the #1 demanded careers there from technical schools. Plus we have post-secondary schools here to talk to the kids about how they could pursue these careers. The big goal here today is for kids to understand there are jobs available out there. They have to stay in school and they have to acquire skills to acquire those jobs.
My name is Orel Moody. A lot of people know me as America's Top Young Speaker. I'm one of the co-owners of the Extreme Entrepreneurship Education Company, as well as the best-selling author of Your Starting Point for Student Success. And it's going to be an amazing fair. We're going to have over 800 students. I'm going to be the keynote speaker that's going to introduce the message of taking action, going after your dreams, going after your goals, and most importantly, seeing what exists in manufacturing. What are all the cool opportunities that exist, whether you want to go to school, whether school may not be the best thing for you. We're going to find a perfect fit for you to find what's good for you, that can fit you, that can help you reach your goals.
And when you're learning the proper technique, there's going to be a lot of people on your path that's going to say you can't do it, you're not smart enough to do it, you're a girl, you're a boy, you're not good, whatever the situation, there's going to be haters. When the haters step up to you and say you can't do it, I just want you to look at them and say, so? It doesn't matter if no one's done it in my family, I'm going to be the first to do it. It doesn't matter if someone hasn't done what I want to do, I'm going to be the first. And you know what, if someone has already done what I want to do, that's cool. That means that I can do it too, because there's not one person in this world that's better than me.
And there's amazing opportunity here. There's a great group of people who are working really hard. There's just like precision execution all out. We've got a lot of cool vendors that are going to talk about different manufacturing and STEM related jobs. We've got people doing robotics. We've got just an amazing event. I'm so excited to be a part of it, and this is truly going to impact the lives of the students in the area.
My name is Connor Chess.
And I'm Gregory Happ Jr.
And we did Bucks Fabricating for the Industry Needs You video contest.
Our goal was to make a video that entices high school students that don't want to go to college and that would rather go into the industry and help out there. It's actually a really neat process.
Yeah, everything is like a chain. There needs to be a person doing every single step of the way when making, our case, roll-off containers for Bucks Fabricated. It's a big chain, big process, really interesting.
We also, with the CAD and all that, the computer designing, they all are constantly working on designing new roll-off containers, and they give the specs to the welders and they fabricate them and make them up custom for their customers.
It feels great to be winning. We put a lot of hard work into this, and we'd like to thank you The industry needs your company.
We'd like to thank the industry needs you, and we'd like to thank Bucks Fabricating for letting us taking a chance on a couple high school students.
The industry needs you.
Industry needs you.
The industry needs you.
Industry needs you.
The industry needs you.
The industry needs you.
The industry needs you.
Our industry needs you.
The advice that I give to young people, I like to talk about a 4-step system that's really impacted my life. And those steps include committing, that the first step that comes to any person who's become successful goes from being a want to a need. I'm committed to be successful. The next thing is learning the proper technique. You have to know how to do what you want to do. If you want to become a doctor, a lawyer, an entrepreneur, a wielder, you have to learn how to become the best in the business. And I believe the mentality should be, my goal is to be the best in the world at what I do. I believe the third step is getting a mentor, finding someone who can show you how to cut your learning curve in half and get to that goal faster than you ever thought possible. Reading books is amazing, but I believe there's nothing that substitutes that hand-to-hand relationship, be able to connect with someone and learning from their mistakes. And the fourth one is the most important step, which is take action. You have to be able to jump, move towards your goals. You can sit there, read every book, you can have a great mentor, you can be committed, but if you don't do anything, nothing is gonna happen for you. So I always say action, whether it's in the right direction or wrong direction, is always better than inaction.
I want you to remember one thing, y'all. It doesn't matter where you start, it matters where you end. And remember that you're awesome because the word awesome ends with me.